In the previous modules, we have learnt what blockchain is, its history and timelines, centralized and decentralized systems, layers of blockchain technology, and how a transaction happens on a blockchain. In this module, we will learn what is a blockchain framework and what are some of the important blockchain frameworks. Different types of blockchain frameworks. What is a blockchain framework? A blockchain framework provides a supporting structure for developing blockchain-based applications. They provide tools that help with 1. Development, 2. Deployment, and 3. Support. Such frameworks help in easier and quicker development. Many of the popular blockchain applications provide their own frameworks. We discuss the most important ones in this module. Bitcoin blockchain. It is the framework underlying the world's first and most famous cryptocurrency. It is based on the paper published by Satoshi Nakamoto. The framework remains very popular due to the continuing popularity of Bitcoin. It is the forerunner to other popular frameworks like Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, etc. It has a high level of security with the largest number of users. True to the underlying philosophy, it is completely decentralized. Significant infrastructure has been built around Bitcoin. Its popularity has attracted a lot of talent. It has resulted in developing unique solutions like segregated witness and Lightning Network. The most notable drawback of the framework is the processing speed. It is about 7 transactions per second, which inhibits its deployment for large-scale retail use. The size of Bitcoin blockchain is 324 GB. The transaction fee is in the range of $2.3. Ethereum blockchain. It is an open source framework and a blockchain platform for distributed applications. It was initially proposed in 2013 and implemented in 2015. It has 3 main underlying components. 1. Smart contracts. It has a strong capability to support smart contracts. Smart contracts are programs that reside in a blockchain and execute automatically if certain requirements are met. 2. dApps. Decentralized applications use the feature of smart contracts for several use cases in different industries. For example, land title and stock trading. The fact that more than half of the live dApps are based on Ethereum shows its popularity and suitability for dApps. 3. Ethereum Virtual Machine. This is a runtime environment in which applications created using popular programming languages can run. This feature makes it simpler for the developers because they do not have to use a language-dependent framework. It is a very popular framework for blockchain applications with a market cap of nearly US 10 billion. It's supported by large corporations like IBM, Microsoft, Amazon, and JPMC. It's quite popular among developers. Like Bitcoin, it has scalability issues. It can handle only about 20 transactions per second. Hyperledger. It was started as a project by the Linux Foundation in 2015. It is a hub for the open source development of blockchain-based distributed ledgers for various industries. The blockchains can be centralized or decentralized. This is participation from over 100 companies, including IBM, Intel, and Microsoft from the IT side, and companies like London Stock Exchange from the industry side. It was renamed Hyperledger Foundation in 2021. Hyperledger provides important frameworks for development. Some of them are Hyperledger Fabric, Hyperledger Burrow, Hyperledger Indy, Hyperledger Sawtooth, and Hyperledger Grid. Hyperledger Tools. Apart from the frameworks mentioned above, Hyperledger also provides useful tools like Hyperledger Caliper, Hyperledger Cello, Hyperledger Explorer, Hyperledger Composer, Hyperledger Quilt, and Hyperledger Ursa. We have covered this in detail in our reading material. The availability of such frameworks and tools is an important reason for the popularity of Hyperledger. They help in the development of top-notch, highly scalable blockchain-based applications. This list is bound to grow and will further prove Hyperledger's potential. Ripple. Ripple takes a slightly different approach and does not use a blockchain in the traditional sense. Instead, It uses and manages test nodes that compare transaction records. The test nodes can be individuals, banks, corporations, governments, etc. It creates the latest register of records every second. Any node with confirmation from at least 80% of servers can get their changes accepted. Its token serves as an intermediary. It has much better transaction handling capability as compared to other blockchains. It also offers more anonymity, and the transaction fees are comparatively less. It also offers the ability to reverse transactions. Ripple holds 65% of the tokens. Thus, it can and is known to use this power to block the tokens of other users. This, however, goes against the very concept of decentralization. Besides these, other popular blockchain frameworks like Cardano, EOS, IOTA, and Waves exist. Each has its uses, benefits, and limitations. To summarize this module, a framework is a set of tools and modules that can be used for various applications without rewriting code. Some of the popular blockchain frameworks are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Hyperledger, and Ripple.